Yo, check it out, it's the CD Spark 2022 edition.
Come on,
The
guys.
show. We're here at JSW and they have unboxed the 2022 edition of the Trix.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Hey guys, we are off to pick up our jet ski.
Yo,
Woo!
yo, yo.
Exciting.
We saw some dude on the internet, on YouTube, saying that this jet ski is cool. We never test drove it because it was like out of stock everywhere. We ordered it and it's here, the 2022 edition model of the Spark Trix edition.
We're about to pick it up. Woo! I am so excited. We are literally on the way to unbox our brand new Sea-Doo Spark Trix jet ski. Oh yeah, let's take it away. So this place is full with all of the toys, water sport toys that you would ever want to have. They've got literally quad bikes, they've got power boats, they've got jet skis, they've got surfboards, they've got wakeboards, they've got the whole shebang over here. It is all legitimate stuff. They've even got your safety gear as well. They've got rubber dinghies. Basically, if you want to have fun in the sun on the water, it's the ultimate full-person float. Just imagine that on the back of your jet ski. So much fun. Not only do they do jet skis or smaller scale stuff, they also do boats. Look at this. Humongous boats. So right now we're going round the back to find our jet ski. We're going to unbox it live with you guys. So excited. Look at that. That is the box. Check it out. Gosh, look! It's an official Sea-Doo box, guys. It doesn't come more real than this. Check it out! Too cool! Oh man, what's inside the box? I wonder. So Molly, do all of the jet skis come like this in a box?
Yeah, they all come like this. We take them out of the box and we just do the final touches on the skis.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. And how many of these do you see like in an average week? It must be quite busy.
Oh, it's hard to say really.
Yeah.
Every week's different. We usually sell about 1,000 units a year.
What? Oh my god, that's a lot of boxes to unbox right there.
Right?
Wow, check it out. It's the Sea-Doo Spark Trix. Look at that in all its glory, red and black.
Yeah,
do
go
this,
for it,
let's do this. Woo! Yes! That is too cool. Oh my goodness me. Look at that beautiful lines. Gorgeous, nice, clean and fresh Sea-Doo, ready for assembly and ready to hit onto the water. How exciting is that? So Molly, what happens after this awesome unboxing?
So the boys will lift it out of the crate, they'll pop it onto a trolley, and then yeah, they'll finish the final touches, they'll attach everything that needs to be attached, and then yeah, it's ready to go.
So it's ready to go on the water?
Yes.
Oh my goodness me. Have you played one of these before? Have you been in one?
Yes, I have a Spark myself.
Do you actually?
Yes.
What is it like?
Heaps of fun. They're so good.
There you have it, guys. Molly has spoken. JSW representative. Heaps of fun. Bye now, bye now.
Yes.
So it's just on a bit of wood here, just keep it all nice and secure.
Right now they're just unbolting it, making it ready for assembly. Oh, are you ready for this? Here we go. The moment you've all been waiting for. Oh, brand new. Look at that. Sea-Doo. Yes, baby.
Steering and stuff like that. Connect up all the batteries.
Oh, make sure, because the batteries can't be connected, right?
Yeah,
Because it's,
in
fire
transit.
hazard.
That's right. Yeah. So, yeah, pull all that out. Check the oils, run them, put all the flushes on. Make
You run
sure
them.
Yeah.
I guess you test better.
Yeah.
Or did you get them in the
No,
water?
that's for you. That's for you guys.
That's
No, test them, make sure they're all running and stuff. Hook them up to the computer, make sure there's no faults or anything like that. And away they go.
Then it's good to go.
Yeah.
Thanks for your
No
work.
dramas. Thank you very much. Cheers.
That's awesome.
Right now they are lifting the jet ski high in the sky. It's a flying jet ski, the world's first flying jet ski. It's coming up. They've even got crates behind it to make it look like a beautiful picture. So check this out.
Guys, it's so cool.
gave us some stickers like JSW Power Sports, JSW Power Sports, just to know where you bought it from. Thank you so much, Jake.
JSW Power Sports.
Jake from JSW?
Yeah, Jake from JSW.
Quite exciting. I have never unboxed a jet ski in my life, but it's time now to do it. It's time to unwrap the jet ski. Oh yes! Oh my god! Stop. Just look how shiny that is right now. Look at that. I can see my reflection. This is like pure quality. Let's see what else we got around here.
You're a salesman.
Buy now. Link in the description below. Shall I take this off?
Yeah.
He might have done this before, once or twice. It's the seat. Ooh, it looks so comfortable. Yes. There's a manual. We all need a manual. And then this is some stuff. I'm going to leave that one there. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. There you have it, guys. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yes.
Yo, check it out. It's the CD Spark 2022 edition.
Come on,
The
guys.
show. We're here at JSW, and they have unboxed the 2022 edition of the Trix, the Spark, the 3-Up, red and black. Great unboxing, gotta say. Number one. Hey, you dude, number one as well. Great to have you on the team.
Thank
and Molly.
you, Molly. Who could forget Molly?
The best in the business. And don't forget cameraman. We got a JSW official cameraman, Jake.
Jake, there you have it, guys.
And behind the scenes, the number one guy, he was the crate operator. He actually lifted the jet ski here. Put all the boxes here. Look at the amazing design. You gotta give a thumbs up for the man himself. To that number one crate business in itself.